baby Jesus.
Good Lord, baby Jesus. Are you here yet? I mean, I'm trying to text stuff.
Okay, camera up.
It is up.
Oh, well, it wasn't up. I think Pat needs to call me back right now.
I think Pat is a douche muffin because he works like old people.
You're probably gonna have to work too. You do work, don't you? Ooh.
Did you text back?
Yeah, yay.
Is he working? Tell him I would like it.
Then I'll call him. No, damn it. Oh. Is someone talking besides us? Ow!
You dumbass! What'd you try to do? See that right there? That's my little brother. He just fell off the bench from the skateboard. What the hell did you try to do?
Hey, shush! I was a phone.
Okay, don't do that anymore.
Oh,
Oh shit.
do you have a helmet?
No. Shh. This is Liz talking. Hush everyone. Shut up. Shut up. Who's talking? Oh wait, that's me.
He's not answering his phone yet. He texted me.
Douche muffin.
Freaking A!
Text him back. Tell him he's a douche muffin. Oh, tell him P.S. Haley says you're a douche muffin.
Answer your phone.
Douche muffin.
Is that stopper?
I don't know. Maybe. No. The people are too short.
Boom, chicka, boom, boom.
Bounce. Wow, wow.
Answer your phone. I'm like getting super irritated right now. She's irritated. Look out. Roar.
Mom's irritated. And that would be my little brother who's...
I hope you fall.
Let's push him. No, just kidding.
How did you fall over there anyway?
Because I tried to do a boneless and I like jumped
What's a
off.
boneless?
It's where like you...
He knows tricks?
Yeah.
Don't videotape me.
Here's Quinn trying to do a boneless.
I have to do it on the sidewalk though. You go like this and you take your like this, kind of like you're going to go off, and then you take your board like that and then you like land on it.
Sure, I understood that.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, typically he tried to do that and wiped out pretty hard, and I thought it was funnier than Liz getting hit. No, almost as funny as Liz. I can't even speak. Liz getting hit in the head with a shoe. There you go.
That was not funny. That hurt.
was.
You weren't even there.
You told me. It's still funny.
I told you.
Screw you.
Screw your mom.
Dude.
What the hell is with the mom stuff?
Because he's stuck in the 2000s and 4s.
Those were the good old days. We didn't have to worry about anything.